we're getting older. We need some young backs.
Yeah.
We go in an area after devastation and just take trees off people's homes, and it's the one outreach ministry that you hope you really never get called to do.
We are a chainsaw unit. You cannot run a chainsaw unless you've been to the training, and that's for insurance reasons, where new volunteers and existing volunteers can go to get a new training or retraining and then be eligible to serve on disaster relief. The October disaster relief meeting for new trainees, October the 15th at Sweetwater Baptist Church in North Augusta.